one day at school. We all enjoyed the magic show. Our school conducts mass beauty classes every Saturday morning to remove the laziness, enhance our physical strength, and to develop immunity in us. On 8th and 9th of August, high school hockey level sports was held at Siddhartha School, Siddharthanagar. Many students were participating. Among them, high school girls won the first prize in ball badminton. Manoj Naik HL and Captain of 10th standard won first prize, and Jeevan R of 10th standard won second prize in hammer throw. Puneet Raj KV of 10th standard won first prize in 200 meter running race and second prize in long jump. Asha PC of 10th standard won first prize in javelin throw. On 15th of August, 76th Independence Day was celebrated grandly. Our school is motivating every child to participate in cultural events which helps to develop love towards the nation. On 23rd of August, vaccination was given to the students. DPT injection for the first standard students and TD injection for 5th and 10th standard students in the presence of their parents. Vaccination was given in August. Higher primary school hockey level sports was held at Eladi. Many students participated and won prizes. Among them, Madhusudan HS of 7th standard won first prize in 400 meters and 600 meter running race and second prize in long jump. Both boys and girls team won first prize in ball badminton. The boys team also won first prize in shuttle badminton and they were selected for Taluk level sports. Madhusudan HS of 7th standard became the champion of hockey level sports meet. The overall championship was won by St. Joseph's English Medium School, Manasandra. It was a very proud moment for us. On 7th, 8th and 9th of September, Taluk level sports for higher primary school was held at SSIT Tumakuru. Our students Pooja M, Sindhu Sri HS, Umay Hani, Rajendra L of 10th standard and Karan of 8th standard participated in chess competition and was selected for district level competition. On 12th and 13th of September, Taluk level sports for higher primary school was held at SSIT Tumakuru. Kushal of 8th standard and team won first prize and Harshika K and team won second prize in ball badminton. They were selected for the district level competition. Our students participated in Pratibha Karanji held at Belagi on 16th of September. Many of them got attractive prizes. Among them, Dhanalakshmi S of 10th standard won first prize in drawing competition. Mispa of 10th standard won first prize in mimicry and Umay Hani of 10th standard won first prize in English speech. They were selected for Taluk level meet. On 10th and 11th of November, higher primary school division level sports meet held at Chikkaballapura. Our students, namely Madhusudan HS, Harish K, Mahesh Babu MP of 7th standard, Ujjwal of 6th standard, and Kushal GL of 8th standard participated in ball badminton and won prizes. They were selected for state level sports meet, which was held at Hassan on 7th and 8th of December. They performed their best. Celebrations such as Gandhi Jayanti, Valmiki Jayanti, Kanakadasa Jayanti, Ayudha Puja, Kannada Rajyotsava, Christmas are also an integral part of the students' development. All national and religious festivals are celebrated to educate the children about the rich culture and religious heritage of India. These events sensitize the students to live in harmony in diverse society and encourage them to pay respect to all customs and traditions of all religious communities. Our management encourages each and every child by giving platform to exhibit their talents like reading newspaper and other assembly activities to improve our educational knowledge. To motivate the students to score good in co-curricular performance, our management is giving them gift boxes, leadership badges, and birthday chains on their birthdays. As per the guidance of Educational Department, our school conducted FA1, FA2, FA3 and SA1 exams very strictly and successfully. As per the Project 625, our management decided to remove the test concept and bring exam concept for better improvement of SSLC students. So they have planned to conduct 15 preparatory exams for SSLC students. Out of 15 preparatory, 18 preparatory exams have been completed. When students experience maximum preparatory exams, their confidence level will go high. This helps some students to get 100% result in SSLC examination. On 14th of November, Children's Day was celebrated in our school premises. Management had organized kite show for boys and harmony competition for girls. Eventually, prizes and sweets were distributed to the students. On December, our school celebrated Christmas in a grand manner. Our kids wore fancy dresses and participated in cultural programs. At the end of the program, Christmas cake was distributed by our Honorable Secretary Mr. Sujay Payasar. On 1st of January, our school celebrated New Year in a different way. On that day, respective class teachers collected 5 good habits which students can adopt in their lives and 5 bad habits which they delete from their lives. And all the students took the same pledge. Finally, magic calendars were distributed to the students. Our esteemed school is the first school in Tumakuru to distribute individual students' photo calendars to make them feel happy and have the memory of our school in the future. The school thanked each and every parent who wholeheartedly supported and encouraged in all